I have never seen anything this big.
It's incredible. Look at the size of this thing.
Do you see this? It's huge inside.
I know. This is it, isn't it? This is home. We can hollow this section out for the main living space. It's wide enough here.
And use the smaller logs to create a roof structure over the top. I gotta back the left over. Okay, that should do it.
Yeah, perfect fit. Let's grab the next one.
I think we finally did it. It looks amazing.
It's perfect. The fridge fits just right.
Just a little further to the left.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're good right there.
Yeah. Looks perfect. All right, this one is secure. Where's the next bracket go?
Right here, near the edge. Pass me the drill.
The voltage looks low on this string.
Yeah, I agree. Let's check the bypass diodes on the third panel down.